Hello everyone! On this particular day, I'd like to introduce you to our new AC Excavator, which are designed to put owners in easy control and focus on operators' experience in the cab. AC series excavators feature strong digging force, high fuel efficiency, and superb durability. With the operating weight from 6 to 50 tons, our rugged excavators have been widely used in various working conditions, such as urban construction, road building, water conservancy engineering, and mining, and completely believe they can cover all your needs. Behind me is our hydraulic excavator model AC 230 with an operating weight of 22.3 tons, bucket capacity of 1.2 cubic meters, and a power of 180 horses. Let's look at the engine. The engine is equipped with imported Isuzu engine Tier 3, which is not only powerful but also has low fuel consumption, no noise, and low emissions. The engine is also equipped with a large area radiator and a two-stage air filtration system, which makes the engine cleaner, more efficient, and more stable. Plus, you will have ground-level access to oil water separators, air filters, fuel filter, etc. And the engine maintenance is so effortless. Our drive motor is using Dawson brand, and we have 9 backup wheels on each side for greater ground contact area. What's more, weather tech can be replaced, for example 700 or 800 millimeters. It depends on your working conditions. Now let's move into the cab. As you can see, ACE has designed a safe and comfortable workplace for operators in the cab. 336 degrees of visibility, ergonomic seats to be adjusted to different angles, hot and warm conditioner to enable operators to work comfortably in both winter and summer. In addition, we also upgraded the screen to make it clearer and easier to operate. The hydraulic system adopts Kawasaki brand hydraulic components and valves. Advanced hydraulic and electrical control systems make the cooperation between engine, hydraulic pump, and multiple valves more efficient. Strong digging force relies on hydraulic oil flow and system working pressure. For instance, on using large diameter cylinders, pipes, and hoses. The bucket has a large capacity, rugged material, and uses TCMTs to further enhance the digging force and make it easier to work. All AC excavators are configured with hydraulic pipelines, so customers can add attachments at any time, changing the machines to be truly versatile. Not merely this, AC series excavators has more highlights, such as battery. We use Vata brand, and the service life is twice that of the ordinary German Hella headlights on a lifetime warranty, and with them, the nighttime operation will not be affected. One more important thing to point out is that the brand new AC excavators are guaranteed for 18 months or 3,000 hours. 30% longer than peers. ACE offers a full range of after-sales services such as genuine parts and attachments to help you ease your mind of maintenance and unscheduled downtime. Work in partnership with ACE and create their own success story of making profits.